One of the challenges we have in this nation, we love shortcuts, we love cheap parts, we love cheap things. And this introduces then encourages some guys to get substandard products, which becomes cheaper. So I think there is some reasons, there's some right thinking in banning some of these parts. The only thing is, I think some bit of stakeholder engagement should have been put in place. I'm not sure whether it has happened, but I think it should happen or it will happen. But I think there's also a reason why there is concern about some of these products brought in the market. I think this is one of the troublesome one. How do I identify a genuine spare part dealer? How do I get good spare parts not being conned, or getting counterfeits, or getting poor standardized parts? If you shop via any application, a good application for that matter, again, there's also the element of traceability. So this guy sold me a fake product, I can take action against him. So I think it has come at the right time. Innovations will continue to happen. Again, if you don't innovate, somebody else in another part of the world will still innovate.